Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all, students? I hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Okay, class playgroup. I am your class playgroup teacher from the educator school. This is your numbers book, number and sheet book. The book of this is your book. The name of the book is My Activity of Numbers and Shape. I repeat it. My Activity Book of Number and Shape. Playgroup students, please open your book. In first lecture, we have read the number 1. Okay, this is number 1. 1 giraffe. The picture of giraffe, as you can see on this page. 1 giraffe. 1 giraffe. Okay. Now, today we will start the next number. The next number, as you can see on this page, number 2. Okay, how many pictures are there? There are 2 pictures. There are 2 rabbits. This is number 2. Okay, I have 2 colors. Look at this. I have 2 colors. 1, 2. These are 2 colors. Okay. How many fingers? These are 2 fingers. 1, 2. Open your finger and count with me. 1, 2. 2 fingers. Okay. Now read with me on page number 4. 2 rabbits. These are the spelling of rabbits. R-A-B-B-I-T-S. Rabbits. 2 rabbits. Okay. 2 rabbits. So my dear cute students, the next page is page number 5. This is page number 5. Please open it. Okay, here's write trace and write the number 2. This is a tracing page. This is a writing page, as you can see on your book page. Okay, so hold your pencil and start with me. Start from this point, this arrow show the direction how you can write the number 2. Good. Follow the dots. Very good. I'm doing very well. Excellent. Okay, now start on this block. Number 2. Write number 2. 2. Read and write 2. Okay, start from this dot. Okay, do neat and proper writing. Touch the line. Good. Very good. You are good students now. Very good. Clap for me. I have done my work. Okay. Circle the group with 2 items. How many pictures? There are 1 helicopter. This is not related about number 2. Okay. These are 2 rockets. This is these are 2 rockets. Good. This is 1 aeroplane. So what you will do? You will circle the 2 items. You will circle the 2 items. You will find the 2 items. Okay. So which picture show the 2 items? This picture show 2 items. So you will circle 2 rockets. Okay students. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.